and Mr. Datamex candidate number 1, Oliver Tubno.
Jerry Joy Bobion's hobbies is reading classic books, watching movies, and cooking. He joined the Mr. and Miss Datamex to gain self-confidence.
Mr. Oliver hobbies and interests: sleeping, playing basketball, and helping parents. He joined this pageant because he wants to improve and enhance more and his confidence not to be shy in any participation, and he will face in the future and gain more experience.
Once again, candidate number 1, Sandy Jerry Joy Bobion. Candidate number 2, Sandy Rose.